Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make what I call a Darkened Stormier number 1. To make this drink, the first thing I'm going to do is fill my Collins glass with ice. Oh, hey. Now, officially the recipe says to put the rum in first. That's going to be 2 ounces of StormBringer Spiced Rum, 2 ounces of 60 milliliters. If you wanted to float it instead, I would not be opposed to that. But I'm going to stick to the official recipe. Next, your ginger beer. The official recipe calls for 3 1/3 ounce. Am I going to measure 3 1/3 ounce for the sake of the recipe? Yes, I am. In practice, no, I'm not. 2 1/3. Next, a couple of dashes of bitters. The recipe does not specify what type of bitters. I'm going to use Angostura. It makes it a great drink. Put a straw in there. And finally, the garnish, lime wedge. And there you have it, a Darkened Stormier number 1. Drink with good spirits.